In this video, I'll show you how to fix QR codes not working on your iPhone. So if you're trying to scan a QR code and it's either not scanning or just not working in general, then keep watching as I'm going to show you how we can solve this. Now, first step is just to open up the settings app on your phone. You're then going to scroll down and click on camera from the options. Make sure scan QR codes is turned on and enabled, and then you can come back over to the main settings page. We're then going to scroll down and click on general, scroll down again and select language and region. Make sure live text at the bottom of this page is turned on. You can then come back over to the general tab, scroll up and click on software update, and just ensure you're running the latest version of iOS. If your phone software is outdated, this can be a reason why the QR code scanner isn't working. So if you do see an update here, then just go and click on update now. And once that's finished updating, you can check to see if it's now working. Now, the next solution is to come back down to general in settings, scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and click on reset all settings. You can also come over to the home screen on your iPhone, use the search box to go and search for code scanner. You can then go and open up this app and check to see if you can scan the QR code from here. You'll also need to make sure your camera lens on your iPhone is clean and free from any dirt. If there's something obstructing the camera lens, then obviously this will be another reason why the QR code's not working. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.